everyone, John, the Drone Ranger of Missouri. Well, as you can tell, this is not the normal place I would actually take a video. The reason for this is because that they are predicting over a foot of snow here, and I'll let you see here right now we have really not much of anything. It's about 9:30 in the AM, and they're predicting by 12 o'clock that it's really supposed to start coming down. As you can see, it's coming down a little bit, just a light dusting here. Now we're going to find out if they're actually going to have like at least 12 to 15 inches here. So throughout the day, I'm going to have the GoPro set here in the garage, and I'm going to be monitoring how much snowfall and periodically show the progress to see how much snow actually does fall here. Now they're saying it's going to be one of the biggest snowstorms they've had since 2011. Well, we'll see about that. The big thing though in the news is not just really the snow so much, it's the Arctic blast that's going to be coming afterwards. Now, it's supposed to be such an intense cold that it's going to be like 0 or below 1 or 2 nights in the next couple of nights, and the daytime highs are supposed to be in the low to mid-teens. Now that's chilly. Now when I was in Virginia, I can't remember ever having any kind of weather that severe as far as cold weather. If you actually look on the YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel and my Facebook page, you'll see that in my old home in Chihowee, Virginia, they're having flooding problems again with my old home in the river there, which is bad enough for my neighbors and stuff, and I feel really bad for them, and I'm hoping they do something to take care of that, because heavy rains are predicted there, and they're going to, you know, possibly have to bug out if it gets bad again, overflowing the banks. So anyway, keep my fingers crossed, and my neighbors across the street, Jason and Constance, in my prayers. I hope that doesn't happen. I know this is not normally what I would usually do outside doing the snow. I would actually, you know, present a drone video. Well, I'm going to later. Yep, I'm not going to be able to resist it. I'm going to take out one of my drones. If it stays dry snow like this, I'll take a quick round around here during the snowfall. I've done it once before with one of my drones during not a blizzard, but a real good moderate snowfall, and it did fine, so I'm going to try to do that again. I'll take off of my garage here and just kind of fly around. So, anyway, we'll see what happens later on, and I'll be back. Alright, well, it's about 11 o'clock in the morning, and as you can see, what a difference an hour and a half makes. Yeah, it's beginning to look like we're going to get some accumulation here. And the next time I come out, I'm going to try to take my Mini 2 4K, get a quick fly around here. Wind is really light, so it shouldn't affect that, and the snow is dry. So it's been really easy to sweep up. As you can see here on my back deck, you see here that the snow is starting to accumulate there. And you see what I did afterwards after I swept it off. Now you're probably wondering, why am I bothering sweeping off snow on my back deck and on the walkways when this snow continues to fall and hasn't even reached its apex yet? Well, it's because of these little guys. Yep, little short legs in a lot of snow, when they're prissy little puppies like I have, don't want to get their paws full of snow. So what I do is I take it, I sweep off everything so they can go in there. Now the grass are not so bad. I'll probably rake out an area of grass for them to go to do their business. But that's why I'm doing it. And about 10 minutes after I do it, it'll be covered with snow again. So yeah, I'm gonna have a busy day. And I'll probably just do some of the walkway in front of here in case we have to take the vehicles out, which I doubt seriously we're gonna be going anywhere. So I will be back a little later and give you an update, and we'll see how things turn out. Alright folks, so As you tell, I've changed a little bit because the weather's gotten a little bit cooler out. And as you can probably plainly see, it's snowing a lot harder than it was earlier, and it's covered the ground quite a bit. And it's about maybe 12:30 or something like that. So let's see here. Yep, 12:30. So I'm going to take my Mini 2 4K and I'm going to try to get some shots here. Now this, like I said before, the snow is dry, so it shouldn't affect the motors or anything. So I'm going to take it for a quick run around here real fast, and we're going to see how it does. So you can see the accumulation is, you know, increased, and I actually tried to shovel off and salt an area through here because I was expecting hopefully some deliveries either by mail or whatever, Amazon. Yeah, like that's going to happen. Anyway, let's take a look at the drone video and see how it turns out. I've changed because there has been a time factor involved on this, and as you can plainly see, we have got a bunch of more snow, and it's almost a little after 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, we got about, maybe I would say 6 inches so far, and we're going to get more snow until about 1 or 2 this morning. So right now it's not coming down as bad as it was, but if it stays steady like this, we'll probably accumulate another 3 to 4 inches at least. Anyway, so I'm going to compile all this and I'm going to turn it into a YouTube video, of course, and hopefully everything will turn out all right. And now looking forward to the bitterly cold that they're talking about tonight, 7 degrees, and then tomorrow about 10 to 15 degrees during the day, and then 0 degrees at night, and oh my lord, that's going to be fun. Like I said, when I lived in Virginia, we didn't quite have the Arctic blasts of cold weather that we're getting here in Missouri. Midwest in this area is actually notorious, actually known for that kind of weather pattern. Something we got to get used to now that we live in the Midwest. So anyway, hope you enjoy the videos and the music, and I guess until next time, this is John, the Drone Ranger of Missouri, going to be signing off because we're losing light, and GoPros don't like darkness. So, we'll see you soon.